Services.
Hey guys, Brett Ross here with Affordable One Home Services.
Hi guys, Mark Gover with Affordable One Home Services.
Hey, good afternoon guys. This is Big Oz with Affordable One Home Services.
Hey, this is Sean with Affordable One Home Services.
Hi everyone, this is Barbara Wang with Affordable One Home Services.
Hey everybody, this is Gordon, your local storm restoration specialist.
Hello, this is Travis, project manager with Affordable One Home Services.
Hey guys, this is Zach with Affordable One Home Services.
Hey everybody, this is Robert with Affordable One Home Services.
Hi guys, Ryan with Affordable One Home Services.
Howdy, this is Sergio with Affordable One Home Services.
Hey, this is John with Affordable One Home Services.
Hey everybody, this is David with Affordable One Home Services.
Hey, I'm Carrie. I'm the office manager at Affordable One Home Services.
Hey guys, this is Isaac Foster with Affordable One.
Hey guys, JR Garcia here with Affordable One Home Services.
Hi guys, this is Damon with Affordable One Home Services.
Hey guys, Taylor Affordable One, wishing everybody a happy 4th of July.
Just wishing everybody a happy and safe 4th of July.
Just wishing, hoping, and every single one of you guys have a happy 4th of July.
Just wishing our community a safe and happy 4th of July.
Happy Independence Day.
Just wishing you all a happy 4th of July.
I just want to wish you guys and your family a happy 4th of July.
Just here wishing you and your family a happy 4th of July.
And I just wanted to wish our entire community a very happy, safe, and fun-filled 4th of July.
Just wanted to wish you and your family a great 4th of July.
Have a great and happy 4th of July.
Wanted to wish everybody a happy and safe 4th of July.
I just wanted to wish everybody a happy 4th of July.
Hope everybody has a good 4th of July.
Hope you have a happy 4th.
Just wanted to wish everyone a happy 4th of July.
I just wanted to make sure everyone has a happy 4th of July.
Just wanted to wish everybody a happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day.
Just wanted to wish everybody out there a safe and happy 4th of July.
Everybody stay safe, stay dry, and enjoy your barbecue.
Hope you're having a good Independence Day. Please be out there safe on the roads if you're traveling.
Be safe. Enjoy your freedom and independence. Thank you.
Be safe. God bless.
Enjoy your friends, enjoy your family, all your barbecue.
Stay safe out there.
Be safe, be responsible, don't drink and drive, and be mindful of pets that might be loose.
Make sure you enjoy your holidays and be safe. Adeline, can you tell them hi?
Hi.
Tell them be safe.
And y'all be safe. See ya.
Have lots of fun, but please, please, please be safe. All right, guys, talk to you later.
I hope everybody has a good time, and God bless America.
And God bless America.
God bless America and happy Independence Day.